Why did you choose to come to Israel?
You know, when you grow up and you're Jewish, you hear about it all the time, and I wanted to get to know it for myself. At the time, I was very much in love with the poetry of Yehuda Amichai, and you know, his poems are all about Jerusalem, and so I was dying to go and live in Jerusalem because I loved this poetry, and that was kind of where it started. And then people had discouraged me because I was pretty young at the time. I was about 20, and or 21, but I really wanted to go because of the poetry. And then even though Jerusalem is not as maybe lively as Tel Aviv, it has its own magic that I really fell in love with. It's a very beautiful city, even though it has so many problems.